Hello everyone, I would like to take you through a quick Canvas tutorial. So if we go over here to the left side of our screen, you'll see Dashboard, Courses, and Calendar. You're going to go ahead and click on Dashboard. So this shows you the courses that you are currently enrolled in. And since this is math class, you'll click on the math one. And here you'll see all of the content for the course. At the very top, it says Module 1, and underneath it, it's organized by the days of work. So if we look at the very top, it says Day 1, Tuesday, September 1st, and then everything for that day. And then if we go down here, it says Day 2, and everything for that day. And yep, you guessed it, Day 3 is next. And so you're going to work through these days in chronological order from top to bottom. So let's say I'm working on Day 1, it's the first day of school. I'm going to click on the first link here, and it brings me to a page that shows all the directions, all the links I need. And then when I'm finished with this page, I'm going to go back to the main screen and I'm going to click on the next thing down. In this case, it's lesson 1 on growth mindset. So I click here, and then you may need to click on the title if it doesn't bring you to the next page right away. And then you'll need to make a copy. And here we are with the slides for the day. So then after I complete that lesson, I'm going to go back to Canvas again and then click on the next lesson for the day. Notice we may have more than one lesson each day because we have 2.5 hour long classes. And then you'll notice here with this little icon, this little paper and a pencil, it says mathography. That means that it's an assignment and it's 10 points, for example. So you click on it, and here we have a link to the assignment. And then we also have the option to submit it, or at least if you were a student, you would have the option to submit it. So you would upload your file here. Now with uploading files, you can either print out the worksheet, write on it, upload it using the Camp Scanner app, and then submit. Or if you would much rather just edit the document, that's going to be an option a lot of the times. And then you could just download it as a PDF and then submit it that way. Either way is fine with me. All right, so if we're looking at day 3, tomorrow, it says at the very top here, complete everything from day 1 and day 2, 0 points, okay? This is not really an assignment. It's just a reminder for you to complete everything from day 1 and day 2. And once you click on it, it gives the reasoning for why you're just going to be completing the first 2 days of work. There was a bit of confusion this past Tuesday in terms of if school was actually like starting. We did have school, and so if you didn't complete any of those assignments, you didn't view any of the slides, you will need to do that because there is some very important information in terms of the tools that you'll be using. All right. Trying to think if there's any other notes, but I don't think there is. I noticed that some of you said that you didn't have assignments popping up on your Canvas. Just shoot me your assignments then, okay, via email, and we can try to figure out an alternative solution. Note tomorrow, teams 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 all have Zoom meetings. Team 5, which is the online students, you'll be having a Zoom meeting with me starting at noon. Team 4 will have one at 1 o'clock. And the first 3 teams, the teams that I just had today, the A through all students, they will be Zooming with me at 2 o'clock tomorrow. So with these Zoom meetings, I would like you to just click simply on the link, okay? So this is actually linked. So you click on it, and it'll say, do you want to open the Zoom meeting? You click yes, open, and then it would take you to the Zoom meeting with me, all right? So remind your teammates that you have a Zoom meeting tomorrow, or if you're doing this on Thursday, it'd be today. So that way you guys can all Zoom with me, and hopefully we'll be on the same page. All right, thank you guys very much for viewing this video. Hey, I'm in a Zoom meeting. Awesome. Glad that worked out.